Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So on today's video we are reviewing once again another perfume. So before we get into the video, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload another video. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the new fragrance from MCM. Well, it's not new, like I think it came out back in 2021. To be quite honest with you, this is the very first fragrance that I've had from these guys, MCM, because I know them as a company that makes luggages and handbags. So I didn't know that they make perfume. Apparently they did back in, you know, when long time ago, long way back, and they stopped for some reason. So this perfume came out, I guess, in 2021. So I just want to see what the perfume is about and what it smells like. So yep, let's get to it. So I'm just trying to open it now. So it's very khaki. Ooh, oh, okay, nice. Okay. Ooh, right. It looks like, yeah, like I said, they are known for handbags, so I'm not surprised this perfume looks like a handbag. So yeah, so I guess you spray it from here. It's very fruity. The perfume is very fruity. It's more like raspberries, fruity, apricot, some violet. Let's wait until it dries down. Very creamy. They said it's unisex. I'm not quite sure because it's very feminine for me. Right, if you enjoy fruity floral perfumes, you will enjoy this one. Is it really unisex? I don't think so. Well, yeah, you can, it can, yeah, it is unisex. However, it's more feminine for me, but I'm just gonna spray it on someone that I know to see how it will smell on them. It's really nice. If you enjoy fruity floral perfumes, you will enjoy this one. And if you a collector, this will be nice to have. It reminds me of Marc Jacob Decadent. The green one, the one that I think it just continued now. It had like a bag, it looked like a bag and all that kind of stuff. I think it is continued now, but this one is really nice. I enjoy wearing this perfume. It's lovely, it's pretty, yeah, and it's very fruity, but it doesn't look like it doesn't last. Most of the fruity floral perfumes, they don't last for some reason. I'm not quite sure why, but this is nice. This is really nice. If you are interested, please visit the fragrance shop. That's where I got mine from. So yeah, it's really nice. It's beautiful. Yeah, check them out and see what they're all about. So yeah, thank you guys. That's all I wanted to like, my first impressions of this perfume, and to see how it smells like. It's really beautiful. It smells florally, fruity floral. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. So